Unboxo, and recently from Amazon, I bought this Slinky Dog pool toy for Toy Story 2 IRL. Now I actually kind of like took it out already and did an unboxing video, but it kind of got just a little messed up. I mean, then again, this is my first unboxing video, so please don't be harsh about it. But anyway, let us open this thing. It's, as you can see, it's from Toy Story, but it's like the logo from Toy Story 4 and stuff like that. I actually think that this is a pretty popular Slinky Dog toy, because, like, I see a lot of people doing it, like, in, like, Toy Story live action videos. So, let's take our guy out. I'm just gonna back him in the box. I'm gonna put this box to the side and back him up a little. Let's take this little guy out. And put him right to the side. And so here he is, Slinky Dog from Toy Story. The original pool toy. He's pretty cool. He has like the pull toy feature, and like you can stretch him out just like in the movie, and he's very movie accurate. And I gotta say, he's really cute. And he even like sits like he does in the movie. And it is just great. I'm gonna do some POVs like from. Weezy. Okay, oh my. Weezy, get out of here! Sorry, Slim. We'll get back to your unboxing video. Anyway, here's like what he looks like from all different angles. His face, his side, his butt, his other side. And we got this one for reading. I'll put him like this, which kind of shows like all of him. So yeah, there you have it, folks. My first unboxing video that Weezy tried to crash, and Slinky Dog from Toy Story. And you will spot him in Toy Story 2 IRL playing himself.